Contemporary dancers' research is rooted in joy, in art, in curiosity that keeps unfolding. Art sits at the center of it all, a quiet compass. And through it, we meet ourselves again and again, playfully, gently, discovering nuance, arriving at deeper, more embodied experiences. My name is Sahiba, and I'm the founder of FLUX, and I just want to talk a little bit about Upgrade today. Upgrade was born from this space, a space where small shifts matter, where a subtle adjustment can ripple into profound change, into new patterns, new possibilities, new ways of being in the body. We work with depth, we work and move a lot more lightly, exploring mobility in the joints, flexibility through muscles, ligaments, tendons, and beyond that into the vast intelligence of the fascia, the quiet regulator, the listener, the responder. Today we arrive at the hips, softening, opening, strengthening, so the pelvis becomes both grounded and buoyant.
Okay, so joints become very important. Nature of the joint becomes very important. And the reason I'm talking about this in the hip mobility class is because hip is a ball and socket joint, like the shoulder.
There is a process of surrender in this work. I call it allowance. A gentle yielding, a listening, a trust. And in that allowance, the body begins to open, to receive, to respond, to move with agility and ease. Because why not? We are meant for more. Strength and mobility come together here, not as tasks, but as pathways into a richer quality of movement. And somewhere, in that meeting point, something shifts. Something like magic. An embodied space. A body that feels mobile and strong and light at the same time. This is a deeply researched practice shaped by contemporary dancers who have journeyed into the underbelly of movement through sensation, through curiosity, through presence. And what we discover is simple and profound. Efficiency that feels like joy, and joy that arises from efficiency. We love movement. We love intuitive movement. And we invite you to step into this exploration with us. FLUX is a space rooted in creativity, in art, in exploration, in kindness to ourselves and then to others, in softness, in intuition, in embodied practices that guide us towards our creativity and our joy, and in the courage to move beyond what is familiar, because nothing transforms from within the comfort zone. So we rest the mind and we let the body lead, not the other way around. We move, we keep moving. We dance, we keep dancing. Because the body loves it, and because we are wired for it. And because somewhere in that movement, we remember who we are. We look forward to seeing you.
Bend your knees, and when you're landing in a plank. The somatic work and breath work is ethereal, it's lighter space of the body. The fitness space is the heaviest space of the body, and the art space of the dance is the playful space for the dance. And these three we do with a lot of joy and heart into it. Like, we need to be in our bodies a lot more efficient and a lot more happier. That's the idea with Upgrade.